Hello and welcome back to Homemade Baking and Drinks, and today I'm going to be making some roller and Cadbury's caramel stuffed cookies, kind of like a mini pie kind of thing, cookie pie. So for this you will need preheat your oven to 170 Celsius or around the gas mark 3, and you'll need 500 grams of plain flour, 250 grams of butter, 1 egg, 200 grams of sugar, brown sugar, 10 grams of bicarb, 200 grams of chocolate chip, and you can either use a dash of vanilla, and you could also add some sort of caramel ones. I'll be making some probably later on, and I'll probably try the sort of caramel ones out, and I'll probably leave a comment below. So let's get started. Once it's all got a good mix up, I ended up finishing off this by hand because I'm having a bit of struggle through with the hand blender. But then just get your grease tin and you can use a spoon or one of these ice cream things and just start putting your mix in. Once you've spooned it in, you just want to start pressing it down. Make like a kind of pie. How you would do if you're making mince pies or jam tarts. Next, you want to add your caramel bits or rolos, or whatever caramel chocolate you like, about 3. And once you've filled them, you just need to put them to one side. Flour your surface and grab the rest of your cookie dough and roll it out. And here we have the finished product, and it looks kind of like a mince pie kind of thing. Turned out pretty nice. Gotta let these cool down a bit though, because they fall apart if you don't. So let's see if the centre has melted. And we've got that gooey goodness inside from all the caramel. Give it a taste there. They are pretty nice. That was one of the roller ones. It didn't melt like I thought it would. But you could put anything in this. Put some Nutella in it, or maybe a cheesecake mix, like a baked cheesecake mix, or anything you want really. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Make some at home. But yeah, turning out pretty nice, nice and tasty. Nice for any party. Probably would maybe have these hot, maybe with some custard or some sauce, bit of chocolate or something. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.